This 2020 Highland Ridge Open Range OF284RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, slide-out, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, stovetop burner, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Highland Ridge Open Range OF284RLS is 10,005 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.